cables are secure. Check the port side tension.
Moving up slowly.
Status green, continue ascent.
Keep it steady. Tension looks good on all lines. We've reached the critical lift height. Monitoring hull integrity. Maintain current ascent rate.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right. Copy that. Maintaining speed. Check the sensors on the aft carriers.
The depth here is significant and the barnacle colonization is extensive. This metal is incredibly brittle.
The measurements indicate a significant breach here.
Not that. Let's get a photo. I'm marking it on the schematic now.
Verified. And we'll need a comprehensive repair and plan to assess this section.
Secure that beam tight.
Watch your step on the ladder.
Inspection complete on this. Thickness is critical here, 3.2mm loss. Documenting that. We need to assess the entire section.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially around the waterline. It's worse than expected. This section will require complete plating.
The markings are finally clear. This is it. Yes, the hood.
All right, pressure is looking good on this end.
Adjusting to target 80%, stand by. Nozzles on.
Ready when you are. Keep it steady on that section. Move up a bit, more pressure needed here. Watch for falling debris, everyone.
The heavy contamination is lifted. Phase 1 is complete. We're ready for inspection.
Agreed. The foam has done its work.
Keep the jet focused here.
We've cleared the main section.
Just the details on the hatch now.
The depth is too severe here. We'll need a full plate replacement, standard procedure.
Note the stress fractures on the aft keel.
Keep the pressure steady on the waterline. Sector Gamma, we need air hoses now. Watch your step on the lower deck.
All right, that's 4.8.
Confirmed, adding it to the spreadsheet.
Moving to the next mark.
Okay, got it, 4.5.
Substantial loss here, updating the record.
The stress fracture is worsening here.
All right, mark this section for replace. Over there, near the waterline, minor attention.
Copy that, checking the blueprints now. All right, section 7. The red zones are critical. We need the plasma cutters here. We'll start with the main hull patches, move to...
All right, it's finally moving. Did you get that tag in the shot? Need a macro of the threading. Hand me the tray.
Okay, phase 2 is complete.
Let's begin the structural repair work.
Copy that, team moving into position.
This is the critical zone for the main hull. We need to restore it exactly to original 1920s specifications.
Line up the welding stations along the hull. Power up the plasma cutters. We need to prep that section immediately.
Check the measurements on plate 12A twice before we lift it.
Keep working on that patch. We need it prepped by end of shift. This sander's kicking up a lot of dust. Need ventilation.
Got it. Lining up the mark. Does it match the template?
Just one more line here to get the perfect fit for the hood.
All right, let's bring it in. Watch the corner, character E.
Up a little on the right.
Perfect, hold it steady.
Keep that weld strong.
Structural integrity is our priority. Watch the sparks moving to section Gamma.
Keep it steady. Tighten that clamp. Just a little more. Good, now weld it in.
Keep the heat steady on that joint. Almost done on this patch, checking the seam now. Needs a bit more, bring the grinder over.
All right, that's the perfect ratio. Verified, we're good to go. Primer's ready for application.
Keep it steady. Slow down. Copy. Perfect. Set the chocks. Let's start the prep.
performance. The Admiralty Grey 504D formula requires precise blending.
Settings confirmed. Perfect coverage. We're ready for the hull.
Keep it steady, left side. Slow down just a bit, you're good. Stop right there.
Bring it down slowly. Careful with that edge.
Ready the locking pins?
Verified, it's secure.
All right, align that second bolt.
Got it, torquing it down now.
Perfect, she's seated. Hold steady on the left.
Slow and deliberate.
Adjust tension on the right, just a fraction more.
Aligning now.
It's settling. Secure the bolts.
Torque spec complete, confirmed. Gear rotation is smooth, documentation matches.
Wiring tests good, all systems online.
Final detailing completed on the HMS hood. Looks perfect. Ready for inspection.
All right, final checks on the lighting. Looking good, ready for the presentation shoots.
She's finally done.
Incredible.
Couldn't have done it without everyone. To the hood.
HMS Hood battle cruiser. Wreckage site discovered 2001, Atlantic Ocean floor. Artifacts